Welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily set up Windows 7 into an SD card. To begin to install Windows 7 in your USB flash drive or an SD card or external hard disk or any storage device, you will need two things. First of all, you will need the Windows 7 ISO file. So make sure you have the legal ISO file of Windows. It might be Ultimate version, Premium version, Professional, Home, Office, whatsoever. So make sure that you have the ISO file. Next step, you want to open your browser and you want to type Rufus. It is a small tool that will allow us to install the Windows 7. So click on Rufus, create bootable drives. Click on the download standard version. And once downloaded, you just double click on it like any other software to open. The software should, once you double click on it, it should open for you like this. Just double click once download is over and it will appear within few seconds. For you. Just reduce all the window. Make sure to select the USB flash drive or the SD card or the hard disk in which you want to install Windows 7. Make sure that your device doesn't contain any data. For example, here I have this device called Windows 7. It's here where I'm going to install the Windows 7. So if it contains any data, it will be removed because it needs to be formatted by the software. So make sure that you copy your data elsewhere before proceeding. Next step, disk or ISO image, click on select. Select Windows 7 that you want. I'm going to select the 32-bit. And here, I'm going actually to change it to 64, just in case. And here under image option, select Windows to go, partition scheme GPT, UEFI, and you can label it Windows 7 to go. Make sure that you don't tick anything else except the default option and click start. Here it's please select the version of Windows you want to install. I want to install Home Basic. You can select any of the versions and click OK. I'm going to click yes. You are trying to install Windows to go, but your target drive does not have the fixed attribute because blah blah blah. Do you still want to proceed? I will just go ahead and click yes. I will click OK and the process shall begin. The operation will take a few seconds, and if you face any error, you can always leave it in the comment section and we'll do our best to help you. So for now, the process is working quite well and there are no issues. I will be pausing the video here and I will take back once the next step appears to show you what to click. You will see under status ready in green. Just click close. Open this PC shortcut or the PC shortcut. Locate your device and check your Windows. You should find it there ready to be used. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.